Look at this shit. This shit crazy, dog. Look at this shit, man.
These young niggas really try to do something. Like, they gotta walk all the way down the street, bro.
Ashmont flooded it out. Look at all that. Skizz Banker TV, man. They fucked the pipes up, man. You know what I'm saying? Skizz Banker TV, man.
Huh? I see it too.
This shit's nuts.
Do something.
Nah, it's slacking over here. I said it's getting worse.
Damn. And man, that shit gonna fuck the water up in the neighborhood, man. You heard? I don't know how long it's gonna take for them to fix this little damage here, boy. Welcome to Ashmont, Peabody Square, man. Skizz Banker TV, man. Man.
Shit.
Bro, hop your ass back on this side. You ain't going nowhere.
Did you see that? Why did you think like, it was gonna make a difference. You walk in, put the cross sheet, and then put the cross back on. Like, bitch, your feet still got wet, you fucking goofy. That side is the bad side. I said if they run and hopefully they'll fall up on their water, if they run, they can jump it. They can jump it, like right there, they can jump it. But I would jump it at somewhere where I'm running. You know what I mean? Just to jump it like right there? Nah. Look at this, first sucks to be you today. Hey yo, Tut. Hey, this Tito's busted over here, baby.
Did they shut off traffic?
Hey, the Tito's is busted on this side.
Ready. Yeah, they shut off traffic. I'm glad I moved my shit.
Nigga said, if I'm gonna be stuck across the street, I'm gonna be stuck where the liquor store at, nigga. Skizz Banker TV, man.
You want to drop off liquor? Yeah, I'm going to drop it off to you guys.
God damn. Oh. God damn.